The first pair to go in this one are Archie and Jimmy, and they're going to play a game based on sound effects. I'm going to get a suggestion from a member of the studio audience for an everyday activity, and Jimmy is going to act that out, while Archie will be providing some sound effects for it. So I'll give Archie a microphone to do that with.
Thank you.
And what would be an everyday activity you can think of? Eating a breakfast? Well, there's some...
Watching television.
Watching television. I think that'll... Something with plenty of different things in it. Having a bath.
Asking someone having
a bath. Wait a minute, one at a time, please. Having a bath. I want an everyday activity, not just a once-a-month one. Sorry? Mowing the lawn. Well, mowing the lawn and doing the garden generally. I think that's a... Jim will be miming this and acting it out, while some sound effects provided by Archie. On you go now. Thank you. Yes, that's it, fine. Thanks a lot, yes.
Hold on.
All right. OK, I reckon give 10 points to Jimmy. Very, very good, I like that. And 100 points to Archie.